Hey loves, welcome to another mini twist video. So you guys know I've had these mini twists in for almost 2 weeks now. I'm officially 1 week and 4 days in. I want to let this stretch out as long as I can to that 2-week mark, and right now they are a little raggedy. I've been to the gym this week. I've styled it a couple different times. And a lot of the times I was styling them in like buns, so that's why you see some dents in there. I actually took it out of a high bun with these few pieces hanging out from yesterday, and it is definitely time for a refresh. So I purposely wanted to show you guys what it looks like when it's slightly raggedy. Like, I know you guys can see a little bit of frizz going on, especially right there in that middle part area. And just the ends, I mean the dents, a little bit of frizz on some of them. So this is a quick and easy fix of how to maintain your mini twist but extend them for a couple more days. So I'm going to go in with the same product that I used to put my mini twist in, and my mini twist a little bit shorter than normal. You guys know I had my hair cut, and I showed you in the last video when I installed these, the bangs area is so short. Like, my short layers start right here, and this is how short it shrinks up. So I will say this, it probably will shrink up a little bit more now that I'm gonna like re-wet them a little bit to refresh them. But what I'm gonna do first is take some of the leave-in conditioner that is already in my hair. Again, I'm taking the same products that I've already applied on my hair and just kind of reactivating them a little bit. But I'm taking this Kaleidoscope leave-in conditioner, and I'm gonna pour a little bit in my spray bottle with a little water. Now, it's always best to work in sections because that's going to help me tackle where the frizzy spots are a lot easier. So I'm going to put them in 4 quadrants. Now this is where I'm going to take my leave-in and water mixture and dampen up the twist. Really focusing on those ends. Now I'm going to go in with the Kaleidoscope foaming mousse and basically put that all over the section, and then take each twist little by little and kind of finger twirl or finger coil some of the frizz back into the twist itself. And this is also going to just help lay down any flyaways. And you want to make sure you are twirling in the same direction that the twist is going. Otherwise, if you do it the opposite way, it will practically unravel the twist. But I try to make sure I'm touching from like the top and like twisting all of the frizzy pieces back in to the twist. You can take a little bit of extra foaming mousse if you need it. But this just kind of dampens up the twist, rehydrates them with the same products that you already had in the hair. So kind of reactivating the same product already laying on the hair, but refreshes it, dampens it up to make it easier to twist those flyaways into the twist. And foaming mousse is going to act as like a setting product, because that's essentially what it is. Foaming mousse, setting mousse. And when you tie it down, it's just going to look completely refreshed without you having to retwist all of the twist. Okay, now as I move to the front, same thing, same process. We're going to rehydrate, reactivate the product, really get those ends. And because we're in the front, we definitely want to get where the edges are, because I'm kind of going to reactivate some of the edge control so that I don't have to like pile on extra edge control. And we want to focus some of that mousse on the edges, because again, it'll reactivate some of that edge control, and we can also use the mousse to lay down the edges. Same thing, going to finger coil in the same direction of the twist. Put a little bit of mousse on the edge brush. Now this is where the magic happens, the scarf. All right, I'm gonna come back in about 5 minutes and show you guys how it sets. This is how it looks, completely refreshed. As you can see, little to no frizz, and this is exactly what I want. This is why I always say foaming mousse and just rehydrating them and tying it down is truly the magic trick. They are going to kind of like shrink up a little bit more, mainly because they're slightly damp, but when it's like fully dry, it definitely drinks up a little bit. So the ends look amazing. That's what we want. When we wanted them to be fully defined and moisturized. So now I can go on and style them as usual. And I just do the same thing whenever I want to rehydrate them. I just simply do the same thing that I just showed you guys. But for nighttime purposes, all I do is just wear the scarf, go to bed, and boom, hair looks good as new. And sometimes when I need the twist to lay a certain way, when I want it to be like in a side part, you just gotta wet them a little bit to kind of form over, just like this. But that is how I refresh my mini twist, you guys. Super simple and easy, quick fix as well. And this will definitely extend the wear for about 4 or 5 more days, right to that 2-week mark for me. It may be longer for you guys. If you guys go past that mark, I'm pretty sure that if you do this at the 2-week mark, it probably can extend it some more, but I'm the type that just want to go ahead and rewash it again. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you also check out the install of these mini twists. I'm going to link that down below for you guys. Give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more videos to come, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.